Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your mobile number in Microsoft Teams profile. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to sign into your Teams account and then click on your profile at the top right. So you'll be able to see a manage account option. If you're not able to see that, you're going to click on the three dots and then go to settings. Then you'll be redirected to an interface where you'll be able to see numerous settings over here. So you're going to click on privacy and then you'll be able to see a section that says manage how people can find you. So you're going to click on manage contact information. Here you'll be able to see a field of add phone number. You can enter your mobile number and verify it using the SMS code. If you don't see the option, your organization may manage profile details through the Microsoft account portal. So you're going to go to myaccount.microsoft.com. Then here you can go to personal information or security information and add your phone number there. But some companies disable profile editing so only admins can change it. So you need to be mindful about that. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.